In this lecture, we are going to discuss about event handler in internet programming. In JavaScript, when JavaScript interaction with HTML is handled through event or action that occur on the web pages, event which cause the JS code to spring into the action. Every event handler execute JS code to respond to event. When JS interaction with HTML, it can be handled through the event. For example, when a page get loaded, when user clicks a button, minimize a window, these are the different kinds of event that taken place. What are the types of event handler? Interactive event handler, non-interactive event handler. Interactive event handler depend on the user interactive with the form. Non-interactive event handler, it execute the JavaScript code automatically without the user interactivity. The example for interactive event handler or on mouse over. It can be done with the help of the user. The example for non-interactive event handler or onload. It helps to load the pages. These are the some of the event function. On change, an HTML element has been changed. On click, the user clicks an HTML element. On mouse over and on mouse out, the user moves the mouse over or away from an HTML element. On key down, the user push a keyboard key. On load, the browser has finished loading the pages. Next, see what is DOM. DOM is an object model. It defines standard way for accessing and manipulating HTML document. It is a language and platform independent, and it can be used by any programming language like Java, JavaScript and VB script. Some of the features of DOM. It is an object model for HTML. It gives a standard programming interface for HTML. It is a platform and language independent. It is a W3C standard. The HTML DOM, it makes changes, add or delete the HTML element. It defines the object and property of all HTML elements and method to access them. According to DOM, everything in the HTML document is a node. So the entire document can be called it as document node. Each HTML tag used inside the document is considered as an element node. The text in the HTML element or text node. Every HTML attribute, for example, HTML heading, HTML paragraph, HTML link and HTML images is an attribute node. Comments are comment node. HTML DOM node, all the node in the tree have a relationship with each other. So the DOM can be represented in a tree shape. It should be in an hierarchical structure. So let us consider the figure. So the initial will be the root node and remaining will be the child and the leaf node. How the document tree will look. In a node tree, the top element is called the root. For example, in this figure, the HTML will be the topmost node. It can be called it as root node. Every node except the root has exactly one parent node. So in this example, except the HTML, the head, body, title, href, a, h1 which hold only one parent node. A node can have any number of children. Let us consider the body. It have two different children, A and H1, HTML link and HTML heading. A leaf is a node with no children. So here the text node can be called it as leaf node. Siblings are node with the same parent. Here HTML heading and HTML link are the sibling because they belong to the same parent body. How the DOM node can be accessed. It can be done in three different ways. First one, by using the get element by ID. The second one, get element by tag name. The final one will be navigating the node tree. Get element by ID. This method, it return the element with a specified ID. Get element by tag name. It return the element with a specified tag name. The syntax to access the node by using the get element, we have to use node dot get element by ID. Have to mention the ID in a double quote. For tag name, you have to mention the tag name. The final one will be navigating node relationship. It is based on the three property: parent node, first child and last child. So in this HTML document, PID equal to intro will be the first child, div ID equal to main will be the last child, where body will be the parent node. So the syntax to access the child node will be x dot first child dot node value. You have to mention the node value. X will be the variable. It gets the data by using the get element by id or get element by tag. Advantage and disadvantage of DOM are, so the advantage will be it should be robust and modify the data structure and extract the data easily. Disadvantage will be it store the entire document in a memory and it can be written in any programming language. There is no proper name conversion can be followed in the Java programming conversion. Thank you.